Milady.
Why are you dressed like that?
Why are you dressed like that?
I was just told to go. You told me to dress like we're going camping, and then you're wearing this. I have no idea what we're doing.
It's been brought to my attention that my outfit is see-through.
That Halloween costume is truly made out of a Kleenex.
So here's the thing. Today we come to you dressed up. Why? The outfits are gonna make sense in not too long. I really wanted to try astronaut food.
Oh, yes! Yes!
Tate and I were searching for astronaut food for a few months. Maybe we did send an email to NASA. Maybe it absolutely didn't get read, obviously. Well, here's the thing. It's actually really, really difficult to get your hands on astronaut food. We ended up getting what we thought was astronaut food, but I think it might just be camping food. Okay, so explain to us why we're doing camping food as astronaut food.
Well, because it's basically the same thing. The major difference is that astronaut food is specifically designed to meet nutritional standards for astronauts in the space station.
And you said MRE? Like that's the type of food?
Yeah, MRE stands for meal ready to eat. And it's the type of thing that like hikers will take with them to like remote places, or they'll eat in like the army and that sort of thing.
So we're basically eating astronaut food. We are officially camping / in space. I'm thinking beef stroganoff with noodles.
Gourmet, like for camping?
No, for space!
For space.
It's been prepared to the instructions. It smells amazing.
It does smell good.
Look how good that looks.
This would be good. Okay.
Wait a minute. Wait a dang minute.
That's good.
That is correct. I'm gonna need more of that.
It expires on 2053 for your zombie apocalypse.
This is so good.
It's delicious.
Straight up eating beef stroganoff out of a bag has never been so good. And then you can literally zip it back up
Yeah.
and eat it later.
I'll have mine to go, please.
Look at this. Look at this bag.
Ooh-wee.
Doesn't that look like astronaut food?
It is astronaut food. Wow. If that's not astronaut food, I don't know what is.
Well, it is right now because I'm an astronaut and I have my food.
See ya.
I'm going off into space now.
Come home safely, you hear?
Here they are. The only ingredient in here is mango. Look. Whoa! Look at them.
Oh my god! Wow, that is so interesting. They're so light.
They are like how many mangoes are in there, do you think?
Oh my goodness, I have no idea, but they're like, it weighs nothing.
Right?
Oh,
It's so light.
it is so light. That tastes like pumpkin. Are you tasting that?
It's sour.
I'm tasting pumpkin with this. Wow. It has a bitter taste to it.
This one tasted like pumpkin.
This one tasted more sour in the middle.
Interesting.
This one is major pumpkin.
Major pumpkin alert. Let's add another thing to this title. Let's name it Astronaut Camping Food / Zombie Apocalypse Prep.
Yes.
Listen to this, ready? ASMR astronaut food. Okay, next we're gonna do cheese tortellini in tomato sauce. Ooh.
Open bag and remove all contents. So let's just do step by
Start
step.
there. Oh, so there's the pouch, the heating
Okay.
pad, and here's the food.
Okay.
Open oatmeal's bag and place
Okay.
food pouch in here.
I'll just pop it in then.
And
Okay.
then we have to fill it with water to the fill line.
Okay. You're both there? Seal bag and let steam for 3 to 5 minutes.
It's just gonna heat up.
I guess it's gonna steam out that little hole eventually.
Whoa, out this little steaming hole?
Mia, I don't think so.
Oh, it's expanding!
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Oh, what? How is that? Wow, what is happening? The bag is getting so hot.
Oh, it's hot! It's like burning hot. Are you seeing the steam? Like, it's steaming like a kettle. Do not consume heater. Mom.
Dang.
Wait, I really wanted to eat the heater though. Not even just a little nibble. Okay, everyone. Are you guys ready? You guys.
There it goes.
Look alive. The tortellini's coming out.
Look alive, astronauts.
Supper's ready.
Wow, that's pretty good.
It is good. It tastes like ravioli.
Yeah.
I am literally astounded at this invention. Like, whoever came up with this, I am straight up astounded right now.
It's pretty incredible.
Right? Next we have scrambled eggs with bacon.
Oh my gosh. I didn't know this was available.
It's at Canadian Tire. Egg and me get along, but I need to be in the right frame of mind.
Yeah, that's a lot of water. Interesting. Ooh, getting some bacon here.
I bet you that's kind of the thing with these. You have to find the ones you like and just keep repurchasing those ones if you're a camper, because to be honest, I wouldn't get this one. It's giving continental breakfast at Holiday Inn. Like, it's good, I would eat it, but it's not the beef stroganoff.
I fear we might have started with the best gourmet one.
I fear we did. Next we have granola with milk and blueberries.
Oh, like that is so handy. Like, isn't it handy? Why did I not know this was out there?
Because you don't camp.
I do camp.
You glam. Like, if no one has seen on the main channel, we like renovated a Sprinter van. As someone who eats kind of purely based on like consistency and texture, this one's gonna be a little bit of a battle. Blueberry and milk.
It smells so good.
Let me smell. Ooh, it does smell good.
A good blueberry muffin or
It smells
cookie.
like buttermilk.
Mm-mm.
Ooh! Wee! Me in space. Ooh! When I open this packet.
Isn't that good?
This is not sponsored by Mountain House. It should be though.
How much is a bag, do you know?
It's on screen.
It's that much.
It's this much. I don't even understand what this is exactly, but like
a lot of
there's
things in there.
This is like a full-on like you're surviving in the wilderness.
Oh my gosh.
We should try this applesauce. Look at how much this looks like an astronaut food. Like, I think this could be astronaut food because you just do the thing and you suck it out and let it fly out.
It's Zapple sauce.
Wait, when is this one good till?
That's yummy. That actually tastes like apple pie.
That is good.
It's really good.
What's in this? I feel like I'm cutting the sides of my mouth on it.
Mia, you're gonna look like the Joker. You're gonna have these lines.
Cutting my face on the applesauce. Look at this. This looks like this is astronaut food. Oh,
Totally.
I remember this. I remember this from my expedition. This is a fig bar. I'm allergic to this, but you go ahead and give that a go.
Okay.
The fig bar from space. Wait! Oh, that's a Nutri-Grain bar!
It is a Nutri-Grain bar. That's exactly what it looks like. And you get 2 of them.
Try it.
Okay. Exactly like a Nutri-Grain bar. So that would be different though than just taking a Nutri-Grain bar in a package because of how it's packaged, maybe?
Great question.
Because it also is in a little tin bag.
Could I just bring a granola bar?
I'll take
I don't need the weird one. Okay, I'm like kind of scared of this one because this is the maple brown sugar oatmeal.
Oh, looks so watery.
Yeah, it's like very soft.
Oh my.
But get this. since you love that thing so much, we have to use a heating pouch again.
Yes.
Like, to be honest, this feels incredibly wasteful to do this right now as we're at home. But if you were in the wilderness, it makes more sense.
Yeah.
Like right now in our house, we could have done this without all the plastic.
That's right. Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home, people. Only if you're in outer space or camping.
Yeah. Just like that. Kettle's boiling. Oh my gosh!
It shot it at me.
That is a danger. Like that could have gotten you.
It did.
All of a sudden we'd be going to emergency.
Could you imagine in this? It's so urgent I can't change.
Now we got it. Ooh, it's thicker than the last. Oh, it's not too bad actually. I'd rather that than it be too runny.
Here's my question for you though. Like a normal oatmeal packet
Yeah.
with boiling water.
And you can just add hot water.
But it's still so fun, right?
It is fun.
This is another one I can't eat.
More for me.
Go ahead.
That is very delicious. Do you want to smell it?
Smells really good.
Okay. Mia, you wouldn't like it.
This is not reinventing the wheel, but here's this orange packet. It's called Cool Off Orange.
And it's different than bringing just one of those flavor pouches.
You can't just bring Tang, you have to bring this. Because I'm camping.
Can you have this?
I think so. Citric acid, maltodextrin, natural and artificial flavor, aspartame, acesulfame, potassium, corn syrup solids, calcium phosphate, food starch modification, soybean oil, carbomexyl, cellulose, yellow 6 ascorbic acid, yellow 6 lake, xanthan gum. I'm totally good to ingest this. Ooh, it's really good.
Mia.
Ooh!
Drink your juice.
Drink like water.
Drink.
Water. Drink. I think it's really cute that this company puts you together like a whole pack.
I like that.
And it's all just conveniently placed. Like if you were kind of new to camping and you knew you were going on like kind of like a trip, you could just buy the pack.
I'm literally gonna try and camp for a weekend with this kind of stuff.
Okay, Mom,
Okay.
we're on the last thing.
Okay. Okay.
And it's the one I'm most excited about. And this could be in space,
Wow.
I think,
That's what you're
from
most...
my research.
Yeah, I know that's what you're most excited about. What is it?
It's an ice cream sandwich.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Isn't that crazy?
It is crazy. Spaceman style, fun to eat, no refrigeration.
Yes, spaceman style. That's me. Spaceman style. Whoa.
Oh, they're so cute. They're little ice cream sandwiches. I love that they're actually looking like pieces of ice cream sandwich.
Ready?
Ready. Oh, yum.
That's good.
Those are delicious.
I like that more than an ice cream sandwich. I like cookie-fied it.
How did they do that?
Literally delightful.
That is so delightful.
Okay, so that has been camping, army, outer space foods. Not sure which ones were which or if any were any, but there they were.
Amazing.